Hi guys, so this is pilot video. Tomorrow me and my children will have two beautiful British short hair kittens. We already gave them names, Soba and Sushi. They just 8 weeks old. So today, before they will come, I wanna assemble their cat tree or tree cat. How it's in English? Cat tree. Sorry for my English. I always will make mistakes. My English sucks. My English sucks, you know. But my daughter behind the camera, and she sometimes will correct me. So let's start. We have this box. I bought this cat tree or tree cat. Cat tree on Amazon. It's in a big box, and we will assemble like. Our room is not big, living room, so I have to think where to put this table because I'm thinking it will be cool if the cat tree will be here where I can reach this like our small window. So we live in Canada, by the way. A very expensive life here, very expensive rent. That's why very small place. But two cats will expand. Expand. Okay. Expand. So it's came in this box actually. Let's open this. Now I'm single mom with very a small amount of tools. That's why knife and scissors usually do all work. When I can't find knives and scissors, I use my teeth.
Knives and scissors?
Knife and scissors. Stop laughing. It suits my blue sofa. It's blue, it's navy blue. Okay, so what we have some parts here. Okay. Feline nouveau. We have base, cubby pose, triangle platform, circle platform, cubby tubular platform, bolster, perch, allen, wrench included firstly, prong, toy, long post, short post, medium post with
2 hours later.
Screw, medium ball, short ball, long ball, dual thread screw, bolt cover, and washer. Okay, let's go. By the way, guys, you will hear sometimes another language because we are Ukrainians. We didn't escape this awful war. We live in Canada for 8 years. But all our family is in Ukraine. Unfortunately, my brother fighting, and hopefully it will end soon and we will win. But we help here a lot. I help here a lot to our Ukrainian refugees. So we have something like this. I believe it for cat butt. We'll put it for now here. We have this.
I don't think that's gonna fit.
Why it's oval? Is it supposed to be like circle? No, okay. What? It feels funny. I already like to be a cat. Okay, and actually guys, I was reading in reviews about particular this brand that they have one of the best scratching posts. They say that's very good quality, very nice, and I believe you can buy them like separate with them. So we will have two cats.
Mom, I think we know.
I said already that,
Yeah.
I'm after work, okay? My work shift started at 7 o'clock and I'm tired.
Okay.
Don't laugh. I'm a future YouTube star. You will see like money. Oh.
Hopefully.
No, but honestly guys, we lost our cat Moss, a beloved cat whom we brought from Ukraine last year, and
it died September 25th.
Okay, she remembers, and it was awful. She lived with us 11 years, and it's bad without her. We decided to take two small kittens, boys, because it's hard emotional to have a girl right now, and just we want to make as much memories as possible about them right from the beginning, right from their days. Not bad. Oh! It's Ukrainian trident, but for cats. Glory to Ukraine. So guys, for now, it is what it is. I really don't have another place to put it, so it will be here. We're hoping that we will sit here and play with our kittens, which we'll have tomorrow. Tigger right now takes space here, but it's okay. Everything for our dear pets. So we will see tomorrow. Will they like this tree? No, and we definitely will show you. So, but it's amazing actually. Cat tree or tree cat? Cat tree. Okay. And they will reach the window hopefully soon. I don't know, they're still small, maybe not now, but soon. And see you soon. Enjoy our wonderful, beautiful kittens. Bye guys. Oh, my name is Olesia, by the way. Ukrainian beautiful woman. Okay, my name Olesia, by the way. Beautiful Ukrainian woman who lives in Canada with 2 children, single mom, and now with 2 kittens. My daughter is rolling her eyes right now. Bye guys. Oh, actually, the link for the Amazon tree, the link for the cat tree on Amazon, I will like leave how you guys join below in descriptions. Yeah, sorry, I'm not YouTuber. Yeah, bye.